Hey guys, what is up? Coming back yet again with another trade review for April 12th, 2024. And today I had a few tickers on my watch list. I had 5 or 6 set up for reversal long, and I had a couple set for a breakout. And the reason I took this and was cautious at the same time was one of the criteria I look at is or indicators that I use is ATR, and it moved quite a bit in the pre-market as well as at the open. So on the daily, we opened up below yesterday's low, and I was looking to take a short once we got into these large liquidity levels that were on Bookmap. And so what I was looking at was these levels here. And you can see them all as the price action broke through them all. You have all these resting bids sitting on the book. So thought process was to short them into these levels, and then when it broke, you can see at this very last level it hit 162 and kind of bounced back up, and we still have these made a double top here. It hasn't taken out this 165. I might jump back in, but as of now I have my montage locked, and I most likely won't take anything else for the rest of the day. But we still have this big resting order at 162, which I will keep an eye on. I'll just set an alert once we get near these levels. But what I was looking at specifically in this trade was we have the first minute here that showed selling pressure, and this was a 5-minute candle, and I was waiting for it to play it as an orb, so a 5-minute opening range breakout. And you can see the next 5 minutes increasing selling pressure held this level, next 5-minute increasing selling pressure held this level. And as soon as it broke, I kind of anticipated this break. You can see it kind of just flush through right to the liquidity. Like I said, that was looking on the book, and I caught the very bottom of it right here, which was at the 162. It dipped down past and then got back up. And it doesn't look like a very impressive move, but I did hit a majority of my goal for the day. And I've been a bit gun shy lately taking these breakouts just because I've been stopped out or chopped up at the open, so I didn't add into this position when it kind of came back up against me and showed me this selling pressure. So it's just a single entry, partialed out all the way down right to the bottom. And that is it for today. Somebody did ask me my morning routine. I can do a quick video on that, but typically when I come into the morning session, I can pull these off. I'll look at the SPY. So I will look at the daily. Where are we on the daily? And then I will draw a trend. Are we in an upward trend, downward trend? Are we holding trend? Did we break trend? And we had all of this news. I know we had PPI or CPI that came in hot, and we had a little bit of a sell-off. And so now we're sitting around this level. Then what I will do is zoom into the daily and look at current price in the pre-market in relation to where we are in the previous day. So I will mark previous day high. Previous day low, which is here. I'll mark these as well so I know what they are exactly on the lower time frame. And then I'll also look at the weekly. Are we in a weekly range? High or low? Did we breach any of the levels? So this is current week, this is previous week, so this is previous week high. And then here's previous week low, right here. So that way, when we zoom into the smaller time frame, you can see how the price is interacting with these levels. So we've got previous week low, which is where we're sitting at right now. It seems to be holding that level. If it does break, I would expect it to come back underneath the 513 level, retest, and then continue its way down to the 512 level, which most likely will happen today. The market looks rather weak. And the other thing I will also look at is where did the price open in relation to yesterday's range. So here I have a, I'm using TradingView, and I have VPOC set up, and I will look at the volume in relation to price. And so if you look at, just for example, demonstration purposes, today we opened underneath yesterday's value as well as underneath yesterday's high. So if I'm looking for a breakout or breakdown, I'm looking for it to open at the extreme with room to the downside, as paired with liquidity on the book. Also looking at the larger time frame, like a pattern completion, ABCD pattern, head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, bull flag, bear flag. So I will combine all of those signals and just to kind of come up with a final thesis on which way I predict price to go, and then I'll go from there. And yeah, that's it. I can do a separate video if anybody wants. Just send me a DM or request. Mentoring actually this month is full. I don't have any sessions, but if I do have a waiting list, if anybody is interested, just shoot me an email, zprotrader.com. I do have a exclusive Discord set up that I have a link on the website if anybody's interested, zprotrader.com, and up at the top I have a little drop down link for chat room access if anybody is interested. That also has a free trial that I'm running for a month. So I hope that everybody had a great trading day. I will see you soon. Peace.